Welcome back. It is Silam Roms again, right? So as usually my friends here, right? So we are going to explore some kind of festival, some kind of festival, right?
Local carnival.
Local carnival in Sri Lanka. You can see some kind of
Big carnivals.
we can see some kind of events here, right? Let's see. That's how they are enjoying. Everywhere have some kind of events, right? And also we can see some kind of musical band will be played there,
They
right?
will play short run.
Yeah, in that area we can see. Yeah. You can see. We cannot see much people around here, right? So look at that. How they are taking the experience here. I don't know whether you can hear us because of it is very noise pollution, right?
Pollution is going on.
Yeah.
Let's have ice cream, boy. Let's have ice cream.
Oh yeah, this is ice cream man. What is this? Ice cream man is going to eat some ice cream. That is why I told him. I told that he is our ice cream man.
Another day we have a Jamaica guy.
Jamaica guy
Might
doing
have ice cream, right? But he's not too here.
Yes, so let's have some kind of ice cream here. How much is one, bro?
Let's see.
Okay.
Because another time I was wrong, right? I said 50, but it,
Okay.
yeah, you corrected that in the video, right?
Okay. So let's see what is going on here. And stay with us until the end of video, and we will bring you the enjoy of these events, right? So if you visit in Sri Lanka, you should have such kind of experience because it make very interesting way to enjoy with local people. So look at that, guys. Delicious.
Looks like it's 100, bro.
100 is 100 bro, basic. It's same as last one, right? So let's go to and let's go and taste it while we are filming, right? It is normal as previously. Okay. Can you hold this, bro? Okay. You can see. Look at that, guys. What is this, bro? Can you tell the name here? What is this, bro? Okay. What is his name?
Cotton candy.
Huh?
Cotton candy, bro.
Hot candy. You can see the candy how it's making. Okay. This is the how candy. What I yeah. Yeah, enjoy it. Even the elders are enjoying that event. Actually, that game. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we are going to find our seat.
Yeah, heading to
Yes, let's see and let's have that kind of fun there, right? So, okay. Which one we are looking, bro? Which one?
we sit, bro.
Which one? I think we need two one. Because I'm a little bit fat, bro. So I'm trying to do this one, right? So, okay. Okay, bro. Okay. Wow, bro. Look at that, guys. It's gonna be. We are gonna fly.
Bro, be careful with camera, bro.
Yeah. Let's go.
Just grip tightly, bro.
Yeah. We are going to have some experience. We can see some pool there, right? So this is how people are ready to. Yeah, here we go, guys.
Going to go?
We're going to go and we are going to. I don't know how fast it is, but just try, right? This. Yes, it is still hard and there are loaded people.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are still preparing for it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that. This is not only for the kids, right?
Yeah. No. Exactly. Adult activity.
Yes.
And if it's most for only child, I don't care, bro. You know.
You seems like it, right? Right. Hey, we can see how much people are here. Even our behind us, even behind us.
Yeah.
And yeah, we can see some beautiful chicken. This is my
Gravitational
yeah. Can see. Now, it's going to big fast. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Our face is not get afraid, even it's get okay. I think it is gonna be very high, bro. I think. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, really fast, bro. Oh my god. What the fuck is happening here? It is really big. Macam, ini dashboard na kele. Okay, I cannot. Actually, I feel, bro. What the fuck? It is look normal for us now. What the fuck? Fuck. Oh my god. Wow. I feel I got more than 10 whiskey shots, right? What the fuck, bro? It is going to. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at that. How it rolls. How do you feel, bro?
Yeah, absolutely. It's like drunken. Oh, wait. It's
yeah.
not over.
It's not. Wow.
Oh, not.
What is happening, bro? Look at that. Look at that, how mechanism is worked there. Wow. Backward. It is going to hide. Oh my god. We are going to backward, and I don't know whether how it's going to pass, bro.
Yeah.
What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Look at that. Okay, I feel I'm walking to back.
Yeah.
If you have any chance to go to fast. Okay. I feel like got headache, bro.
Yeah.
Wow. Really fuck. Oh my god. Ah. I can feel it when I get weed. If I smoke weed, I can have that kind of experience. People are enjoying them. I don't feel anything now. Look at that, bro.
happening, bro? I don't know.
Yes. I think I'm in the mood. What the hell, bro? Look at my friend's mood. And even the people around us. I think I'm going to vomit after this one.
I think it's over, right?
Huh?